Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the essentials are ready: an updated browser, an active account, and editing permissions. Once those are confirmed, open your project and click the Live Editor icon to launch the environment. Make sure to load a recent file or a template so you have content to work on, because editing an empty buffer wastes time. Autosave should be enabled so you don't lose quick iterations. Once inside, split the workspace so code sits next to the live preview. This gives immediate visual feedback and speeds iteration. Edit in small, focused chunks and refresh only affected components. This reduces regression and helps you find issues fast. Make use of the built-in console and inspector to trace errors, check network calls, and adjust styles. If something behaves oddly, revert the last small change and reapply more deliberately to isolate the cause. To finish, run a quick checklist. Test interactions, confirm accessibility, and check responsiveness across viewports so nothing breaks on different screens. When satisfied, commit or export your changes and verify autosave and backups completed to avoid data loss. If something goes wrong, try clearing the browser cache and restarting the editor. Make sure to inspect console error messages. Those lines tell you what failed and where, so you can fix the root cause instead of guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.